Hello everyone, my name is Nathan from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Costa sunglasses model GNT258 in color code 5058 OP. The color of the frame is brown. And the lenses are copper polarized. On the sample, you'll find the Costa logo in silver. On both sides. On its inner right temple, you'll find the Costa logo, and on its inner left temple, you'll find the model name, the model number, and the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 58 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 135 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Costa zipper case, a Costa box, a blue Costa cleaning cloth, a Costa sticker, a Costa thank you card, and a manufacturer booklet. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com, and have a joyful day.